Eti nim say ye what is say Empress Gifty what too quite akwa UK am ye deported no. Ye deported no answer ha ya sama no 10 years traveling ban on her visa. I want me into quite in free Ghana enko UK just a 2035. Ama Empress Gifty abetre na adwen ewo ho. Said they asem see ye no. Ye say upe moti. Said asem say Empress Gifty na kasa wo betre mu. Ade ba deport ne course ye ntino UK honom no. Ye deported no na the 2-year visa de man honom no omo biboki ye. After that, almost a man 10 years traveling ban. I have Penyah block video. Best was any demo. Over like video, no other than subscribe button, snap back, click notification, latest updates, number to the word in their mammy. Ever comment as much as Baswa. No, I see no one for say any be ashes. It is my going to Mus and Sam. Obia too quiet on crack, but then who answer Empress Gifty or UK or too quiet echo UK. Oh, quiet now he went there for a trip. Just say, we know, or Jean and knee. Abraham said tonight, Oko Jean and what I say, and Jeven will see your mammy. I will why by now I will say, Oko Juno can't or to quite echo you guys now, Oko Jean and or come in Homa. Now it's about 2 hours, one be a goo, Alco G, the liquor crack. Now a honeyman or call any man 2-year visa. Your money 2 years visa. I is wait to me aqua till the next 2 years. And son was a review, and also was a renew visa. Now was in the course of the trip, no, you can't be shame. And on the 13th of August, 2005 years, deliberately 2 weeks ago, literally 2 weeks ago, and it was Empress Gifty, you deported from UK. I said, 2-year visa, and the man said, between about Masako 2 years, no, you revoke visa, no. Ama, and Yanunkwa, almost deported about Ghana on the 13th of August, 2025 year, and right here, 25 years deported, no. O one Samano, 10 years traveling ban. Almost at the 10 years traveling ban at to visa so I say own me to quite free Ghana ha enko UK did the next 2035 10 years said Oma agrada 10 years na sa pepe and Oma Empress Gifty so 10 years traveling ban to UK na emono na some man for say na dey na si Empress ampa wonye yentim ga say drugs na okodili enye bibia eti ede bia deport na e happen o UK hono a Empress Gifty echo trip. Na ye deported no one. After deportation, yes, a man 10 years traveling ban all several. Let's say yes, now I was here T BB. Every Empress naga say no. And finally, Empress Gifty obekasa. Wabe chire nsemu. Na say na Empress Gifty ewo eka.
Oh, when I'm so airport, no say me ban me friend, and I'm say yes. Because I was me kind crane. Mommy, bra, say me kasi. From sa 6 no na migration for far phone a frame madam phone from 6 4 o'clock na madam for them fa call area 4 na madam for them fa call no they me call tonight won asu do bi amaye bonne hey asem we make am tem kese na make am ko fo bi dane no e the same din nti ene me kan de esi yankasa madam for no shame one shame so be the catcher because since then ye ma say me fa ne ko bi mu immigration ni bi owo baby o mo de me cut na ye na camera nyina da me so it wo ka twi kra na translate mo ti me frame yes husband no na ye foreign minister then foreign minister no ye honorable Anatete ti honorable Anatete no ni nkofo ne kasa ka cho me se nipa ne ba mo ma me use me hotel nkofo ne se da bi so far as my boss say madam for ne girl ni de e wo se girl ni to me fa call no mu bisa na asem nipa nye o sister ana me kasa nipa ye nti e ho na me ma me ne me yes husband say sa de a me mbra Ghana me kan cho me so mo fa me mbra Ghana na me see you mami e wana lady no e fast stamp no say me visa 2 years visa na me giye endi 1 week man ko yehwe wo UK afi na say akwantua e de call London na atime no so timi wana another enkofo bae so mu hia me for program ene no so me accept ye because me nim say immigration lawyer no aye bibi data to ko e na the same thing am say ma seminiu enye obi mia na me ka kire nkofo a me ni wo mu ye adwuma ma se promoters ever so mo befa Empress Gifty a nkofo na mia nkasa me ba omo amane no me pour me heart to chop. No more for phone catch oh our problem and friend. Don't be bullshit no problem. Who could be oh my friend artist we man. The men you soon Darby. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 12 years. 12 me of I mean, I thought they loved me. I thought they were people who loved me genuinely. No kobo show now. No ma catch wrong say. Empress they want to me fan by UK or what issue or atamas we me real fit sad date need that wo me trim. Untie masami ameke. Sister friend anti Nigerian immigration bi no ba me ho. I know say me ye hwan. That time no me really award gospel artist any gospel album of the year 2012. It's not internet and ye na internet ya ye di blackmailing nipa bully nipa eti nipa tem no dey be satan ni ye di Facebook di ya de papa nti de boa me na ye me Facebook page and a Nigeria ni no kotapi me bin gift you say e pay up no say madam funo ye nipa papa na me say aden o say obia e wo so be family na your friend from 6 to 4 no funny there or can you crash me nkofo na de me be ko Ghana back sister e wa na me melty me take Ghana back and because me ticket me say me be di 5 days na mako me US na bibi here e hu nyina e wo so me afa me wo so chacha me suro bodom na bodom jina sister ade me di mani hu wo yi through airport ade me di mani hu ye sa 2013 nti e wona me ma me ne me yes husband say sa ade a me mbra Ghana me kan cho me so mo fa me mbra Ghana na me see you mami e wana lady no e fast stamp no say me visa 2 years visa na me gi ye endi 1 week man ko yehwe wo UK say me see me fill forms and me see hotel na me bedu o me se me de madamfo e na ebentinu o mo se madamfo na amfa de me twa ntora kire o mo 4:30 na kofo ne fast stamp o mo say 2 years visa na endi 1 week no endi 1 week me madamfo nyuntuni no di mi sabone me madamfo so mo ka asem na no mo dane asem no monti ase UK na me koye na me sa monti ase na me ka be si asem so when say stamp ni mu wie pe immigration oba no oye broni and no say wa ko check me profile me ni pa bonefo na when say Ghana fo ni me pa nti obeboa me a on man krofo ni hu say ye deport me akọ Ghana back and I see you Nigeria ni catch me say me do Ghana ma me fa madam for no call da mankasa unim say Nigeria ni je me number no je me email ni ye de me kwa won say Ghana for so de omo kofa sa flight no omo do mo bochenku I was the first person to sit in that flight ni ye de me passport and over at the man a pilot on the man no so mu deport no mama we mu a woni first person na because ye do passport ebema na ye dem na me kotini ti Ghana ni no beba gift ye to say mami mi su obi asu ye okay me say we celebrating ti am wa betina mu first mami ni deport me asem we me kan wo be bia da because eye me ya the way ya me kasa me na fofo asay me e was asem we him Hiti wena broni ni me koya de me shem na me tinem we na be sempre gifty na to say sometimes na ye gifty to say me say no abetine mu ntem sa sister me tim na me su mendidi me su wa flight ni mu na se wo beduru Ghana ye handle the ma police fo na nyame o te say Me ma me nyankopon ngu ni penimu ase. Enipa migration Penyah no wo duty saa time no. Pese me kai ni din. Ono no be fa me fi flight. Eno de me fe chi ono de me call ni office no bisa me asem esiye. Na me kan asem ni nyina na me de kire no sa so say Empress. Senka wunyo obi tufu anka wo di hotel ni ye. Nti senka wo bia na se wadafo no wo ha fine ko ni wa. Nso mi nim. Sister, ne was say me sign back betina Ghana. Me say me ti wona say play kwa twoma na me hu nyina ego so me na me yema hye me afa ade na my traumatized me hu bi da. Mami, me bedu Ghana pe na me hu say madam for ne friend. Na me say me de enye hwe me fa call. Me fa call ni ma say madam for ne ka kire. Sister, na me phone no da silence. Na ye friend me say me ba yare. E wo school. Nti me phone da silence from anopa 6 to 4:30. One fa call me da. O see me phone da silence. Na sister program kwa baby ananka wo so be kwa akoto no. Say when to me am be na ka kire sofo ne say make me aba be yama. Hey! Da wana meji asem migration Nigeria ni ka kire me no. Afi na say bibia mani so na say Empress me din kwase asem. Miss Empress, I didn't quite I didn't mind. But what happened to me? Me of all people. Share wickedness. Mommy, the thing was between me and my friend. Me tea and something and then get me first time me can't be about this issue. It's when now. Semina minim see a deported back say you blacklisted for 10 years. I didn't know. It's no one organizers be UK. No, so omu for program. It's me the manager. Then me manager me the ne kan ho. Ena ye ko file bibia. Nipa na sa time no managing in Nakuja state in Nakuja. No me dene come ho no ye. Could you believe say obia ye dene come hu bia including me manager ne ye de visa ne mo bia me amfa ma me. Me passport ka ho no beye 2 to getting to 2 to 3 months na me passport ne ma na me betu kwan na me call na me tro mo letter no o de me passport man. No me people be shame. Na me copy immigration lawyer. And no chire me mu. No, so bet me I appeal at the amami because I didn't do anything wrong. E ye madam for no na me fam. And na papa ni ye so be ya mami. Ti papa ni ye so be ya mami. Afi na say akwantu a ye de call land na na ateme so. Ti me wa na another enkofo baaye so mo so mu hia me for program. And then so me accept last year. Me ti wona me ba me ma tobi ama na ebi o. Etumi fa for Mama G. London when we issue no. I just say what you 10,000 pounds. 10,000 pounds ni ekope immigration lawyer. Na ye hwese ye betumi, a hwese ye betu. So I sat down and say, what is this? No. Me Empress. Me mo bi age visa me da. Me ma promote bia wo UK and give visa ma me da. Me nye biom. Me fa me passport ma promote bia wo UK da. Me see asema making last month. Obi be hu me. So person invite me for UK. Na me na ne kasa na me chire ni sika meje. Because na me ni made am nice so. Time na nipa ne me be kasa na ma je visa no. Say see I say visa ni enfantare passport mo. Eye e-visa he. Eye e-visa. Visa ni UK visa ni any if any share the link obi oni bia be ka kire UK visa any enwu yo any ene se me person any last me say last month nipa ne buy no and so buy na me charge no nim say makwaje visa no into buy na ma charge no ne nkrofo ko di nkomo UK onam ka jo Empress no ko to me buy UK oh Empress no forgetting Empress oye wan oh to me buy UK forgetting no cry sika na oje wo no cry menchia into nim dia me ye e dey na me betu kwan no and a guy never sending me message. Say, oh, you want me managers in county, want me ni me show no, into no, wako for before for one I'm saying that because I was expecting that. Na ma che visa no so ma ye ma ju se me mbo bia mane. Because me trust you obi e biom kra me se me ka che ne se ma je visa. I'm telling you. Nipa no be ka kire me no na me ko UK sada no nipa ne ka kire me so ntumi ni me mbo show no o ma ka kire no dada se eno na da UK for promoters ni na do mo ano edo bia no so me UK na me buy me ba se me be prove mu se me ma me nyankopon no oti ase. Some people got confused. They were talking like no church said ni ho. I wanted them to know that we serve a living God who is a just God. Or a just God. Or dear some pepper or ya that was the God that I was serving. Unim me go through UK Penyah me say nipa na be he me star. Or me status na oh Erade Empress said you go me matamfo ani mu ase no erade ye na me hu dia me kan kire omo tumi bochenku me ame na afofo bochenku na omo kasa o Empress UK na me buy me ba se me be prove mu se me ma me nyankopon no oti ase. Some people got confused. They were talking like no church said omo adwini ho. I wanted them to know that we serve a living God. Hey, so umresun, so we share Yesu. I'm an answer Saturday and I'm our own. But what time for not? Me say what time for na nebe na so presence. Now they announcing me. Oh, hello. Come on, Empress about UK when? Oh, yeah. And for our me pictures no was so man for association. Was so was so
Cleopatra trains.
Was so mommy association. They are one so. And they were at the same location. Empress, see where I live. Nyame same location. And then I don't want to talk too much because the things God has done for me. Me to me. My faith has given me this. The prayer that I prayed, my secret prayers, this is one of them. And God has answered it. Said the man within 1 week. Man nenyame or grant ye. May your faith connect your faith to whatever I am saying, and may God grant it for you. What will be or take compa house? No to kwan koba. When will be that? Sepenesi. I'm a for my idea. Is your better? I'm a for my emerald. Sepenesi. My mother's greatest joy is to see me going to London back. Because trauma na mi mami femu me coming. Every day me mami bebo mpaya mami osikum ebesa akon na nyame nanum nyam bededi. Ikum ebesa akwati. I have to go back to my mother's grave and go. I was saying me call daso on. Me dem me passport ni na daso. Na me body did and say. Aya sijamiwa ni moko benye bahami hewale. What you done yema wa wetu. Eje nyamie what you done yema wa wetu. Eje what you done yema wa wetu. Because I'm watching me, now movie says it's just a song, It was a prophetic word from God to me myself.
Also better actually wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.